Let's look at what's inside a task, including where each item is located and how to use it. We'll start with statuses. This is where you change the stage of the task. It helps you see how the work is moving forward at a glance. Next comes the description icon. Here you'll find the main details of the task, which includes everything you need to complete it. The description also shows up in the very first comment. You can edit it at any point, add Planfix data, or even format it into tables. Now let's move on to the task fields. This section shows who's assigned and who's involved. Simply click on a field to make changes. For example, to add or remove an assignee. Click this icon to open the checklist. Think of this as a mini to-do list within your task. Each step is on its own line. Once the assignee completes a step, they can easily tick it off. Meanwhile, the task assigner immediately sees which steps the assignee has finished and which steps still remain. The next icon is Comments. It opens the conversation window and shows the number of unread messages. Got too many notifications? Just click the flag to mark them all as read in one go. This icon shows there are pinned comments in the task. These often include essential notes that you don't want to lose. To pin one, simply click here. If a task has been running for a while and has collected lots of messages, you can also use search to find what you need quickly. Enter a word, a phrase, or even just the first 3 letters, and you should be able to locate what you want. Right next to the search, you'll find the calendar. This helpful tool displays the task timeline, showing the start date and the due date. If no dates were set when the task was created, you can add them here. As a refresher, here is a handy table of task icons and what they do.